Hi guys, so today we're gonna put some wheel weights on the Gen 8 because I've got these stock wheels and I don't want to pay for metal bead locks right now, so we're gonna put these on there. They got filled up with water fairly quickly because I'm rough on my machine sometimes, and so I figured since I had everything taken apart and I was drying everything out, I might as well stick the extra wheel weights that I bought when I put these on the Everest 10 and we'll put them in here. I sealed up all of the holes with hot glue because I like my wheels sealed. I don't want to have to open them up again and drain them again. So each one of these things is going to take an entire strip, which is 8 plus 3 extras. So it's going to be a total of 2 3/4 ounces on each side, which I figure if the Everest 10 pulls it off as well as it does, this should do it no problem. Just because the gear sets that are in them. So we'll lay it right in the center if I can. I don't think this will hurt any of the gears at all. I love these wheel weights, they just go on so easy too. You can get these off of Amazon, just search wheel weights. You want to get them on there evenly, you don't want to have any open spaces. You want that weight on there distributed evenly so it rotates evenly. Might be a little bit tough to get the tire to fit on there, but I don't know. We'll see. Doesn't matter, we'll make it fit, won't we? I'm going to freeze these when I'm done. I'm going to mount the back plate on all of them after I get the rims back into the tire. Throw them into the freezer for a couple of hours, and then I'll mount the front plate. Should hopefully pressurize it a little bit, and I like to run them sealed. We'll see how it performs. The E10 honestly could use a little bit more than this 2.75 ounces that's in it, just because the 2.2 wheels that are on it, they're a lot wider too, so when we get it in water sometimes it floats. This thing should not float at all, though it's a lot heavier than that E10 was. These are super adhesive, like they should never come off. I had to do something. He's ready to run. I'd like a kit, I think, but for the price of the kits and everything that goes in them, it's just so much more cost effective to get a ready to run and just beat it and upgrade it. Don't know yet if I'm gonna do this to the Gen 7. I definitely need to open that thing up. Get the water out of that. I know there's water in that thing too. I should have sealed everything before I started taking it through the water, but I get excited. As long as they're in the center, everything should go real smooth, real nice. And these shouldn't weigh any more than a set of bead locks, a set of aluminum bead locks. If I were to do wheel weights, or actual brass wheel weights too, it'd be same issue. This will probably be the only rotational weight that I put on this. Everything else will be brass on the axle. And if I get metal beadlocks, I won't weight those, I don't think, either. So yeah, that's basically it there. Let's see how much they weigh. Now, I know the rims weigh 20 grams before. So they went from 20 grams to 100 flat out. Look at that. Let's see it. Cool. So the tire, everything all told, 199.2. That's pretty heavy. We'll see how it performs. So yeah, I'm gonna mount these up now. I want that tread to go that way. Obviously these might be a little bit difficult to mount now too, but we're gonna do it. Push on those foams a little bit more, so I'll make those foams a little stiffer too. Maybe it'll wear them out faster, I don't know. They fit right just nice in there. Definitely feel a lot heavier. Cool. Yeah, now we're gonna mount the back plate here. I'll freeze them, and then once they're nice and cold, I'll take them out individually and I'll mount the front plate. And we'll see how it does. So yeah, that's how you add wheel weights to pretty much any crawler, but Gen 8 specifically today is what we did. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.